Actually, I'm a nurse. I'm more into maybe management, I guess. So I'm now a personal assistant. So it means that I follow my doctors to his rounds and just basically do things that he doesn't have time for. But of course, you need to have some medical knowledge because sometimes you have to write letters for him, drafts. You have to help him fill his insurances, and then you let him review. And then after surgery, you have to talk to the patients, and then you teach them how to take care after surgery lah. So my boss is actually an orthopedic surgeon. I would say that the difficulties comes from me. I have a discipline and procrastination problem. Is because maybe I'm quite comfortable in my job. So like maybe I'm like thinking, okay, let's see if I don't transition into a career in code, I can still do my job. But when you get too comfortable, you don't really push yourself so much. But there are times where I also do think about the future, where I don't think that I want to be a PA forever. And my boss is going to retire too. Once in a while I get this kick of realization, and then after that I will actually start to get serious about coding. Yeah, because I really want to learn how to code. I want to see what's my potential, and I've always had this interest in tech because I know that it never disappears. It's the way to go forward. So I would think that's a very useful skill to have. I think it was your instructors. I really enjoyed the lessons, especially when they're very funny. I mean, for me lah. So last time my beginners classes was with Jin Yong and with Chris. So they were very funny and it was very entertaining. And also the slides were pretty funny. They were entertaining too. So it kept me engaged lah. I mean, for me, but I don't know about other people, but I was quite entertained. Yeah. So I enjoyed the lessons in that sense. And I also enjoyed the quizzes in between the lessons. It does make you pay attention. And and the reward system also, it works. It motivates people as well, I feel. Yeah. I would try to make that app a better version for my boss, not like a very complicated one, but just that covers the basics, the important stuff. And I was also thinking of making a personal assistant app that is modified to my needs. Yeah, so I don't have to switch in between whatever apps on my phone. I just need to go to one place that is specific to my needs. So I was planning on that. Yeah.